If I knew how to wheelie, this is the road I would wheelie. Sometimes I think it'd be cool if there was no cars on the road, but then would it still be as fun? You know what I mean? I think there's cops up here, but I'm not 100% sure.
Oh fuck, I broke it.
What?
This whole part, I gotta replace it.
Oh damn. Is it just that?
It was just my peg,
Yeah.
because it felt like it was low, but it's snapped.
Damn. Does the brake still work? Is the brake going?
Good.
Okay.
Different, but I got
Just the
to fucking not let that whole thing drop off.
right.
I want to pull in somewhere and check it out.
Okay. Next right. So we're gonna pull into one of these rights. She'll go first, so follow her. I'll follow her. We're gonna pull into one of these rights so she can check out her bike.
Oh.
Oh, it's from there. Right. All the wiring's what's holding it on.
The wiring and the string.
Oh, okay, yeah. So it's gonna be this piece right here that bolts in right here and here. I have no clue what that's called.
Surprised they didn't snap off.
That's what I would have thought. I would have thought it'd be this. So it's kind of just hanging there, but at least the brake still works. Yes, sir. You gotta try to give it gas, like line it up where it would be. She's on your left. One, two, three. You doing okay with it? It's kind of it sucks. It actually, it hurts my feelings.
Right? Yeah, it's alright. I'm accepting the scratches and just kind of letting it go.
Right. It made me realize how comfy that one was.
I'm seriously thinking about getting bar extensions and put them up here. You know how when your hand goes numb?
Yeah.
We haven't been riding long and my hand's getting numb.
Damn. Right. Up here, oh. Just sitting up, oh, so nice.
I think it's still lean if you need to.
Right. But you don't have to. Like that. That's a thumbnail right there, whatever I just got.
Have you gone down the slides?
No.
Oh, we should totally park and do that then.
Yo, what's up, guys? We just got done eating at Homestead. I had a burger. The girls had something like the wagon wheel, Ilya's telling me. It's even more expensive out here. Wait, 4.6? Oh, no, that's cheaper. You need gas?
I got like 30, 40 miles.
You can have some. I'll leave it up.
That's so awesome.
What up?
All of this.
Oh, yeah?
400 and two 600Rs, yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so cool.
You gonna get one?
I'm working on it right now. You guys have a great day.
Alright, see ya. Alright, if it changes, we're going. If it changes, come on. You were thumbing! Haha!
This shit right here, bro.
I don't know. Oh, sh. You see what happened? And you can get over. Who doesn't get over for an ambulance?